friends, my name is Sangeeta and I make beautiful DIY with little bit of imagination. Today you must be wondering that hey, what's going on here? What's up? But I know you must have guessed it from the title itself. Yes, I'm going to show you what I have purchased and from where. So first let me tell you, I bought all this craft material which I'll be showing you in this video from Masternet. This shop is in Panama. Link is given below. Let me tell you, this is not a sponsored video. All the products and sites shown are my personal suggestions. So without wasting time, let's get started. I'm so excited to show and use this. The Works all-in-one tool by VR Memory Keepers. In this, you can trim and scope paper. Best for scrapbooking cards and so on. With this, you have special attachment that can create custom banners, envelope, tabs, tags, pom-pom tassel, bows and many more. Yes, with a detailed instruction manual. Next, this is red card paper, red colored cardboard, 8.5 inches by 11 inches, has 100 pages with 180 GMS. Same here in black card paper. And in this, it's a mixed colored paper. This is Party Time Theme Design Recollections. 12 inches by 12 inches, has 48 sheets. This is best for scrapbooking with beautiful designs. Wow! Look at this design. It has flower alphabet designs. 12 inches by 12 inches from Stamperia. Look at these design. It's a double-sided design. Isn't it so beautiful? I'm loving it. This too is double-sided design paper for scrapbooking from VR Memory Keepers. 12 inches by 12 inches. Here comes for the Christmas theme, Home for the Holidays by Aisha Garden from ecoparkpaper.company. This too with double-sided design. Self-adhesive hook and loop comes with 100 sets, easy to use. Magnetic tape, it's very easy to use, simply peel and stick. And this comes in rectangle shape. Pop dot comes in 240 small square and this comes in 104 pieces from Forever in Time. Double-sided tape, very useful for craft projects from Forever in Time. Metallic marker from Forever in Time. This comes in different colors. Clear stamp, it's a Blooming Sentiments from Sizzix. 3 inch by 3 inch acrylic stamping block from Apple Pie Memory with 1/2 inch thick. Black stamp, Versamark, high quality inks and ink pads for scrapbooking, stamping and crafts. 8 tools, 2 and 1/4 inch large punch. Very useful tools. You can find the instruction how to use. Book ring, 1.25 inch. It's a metal ring, comes in 6 pieces. Fiskars Heart. Actually, when I saw this, I found it so cute and I purchased it. Last but not the least, Daisy Border Punch from Dress My Craft. It's very easy punching with anti-slippery pad. It's really awesome. So, what do you think about all the products I shared with you? Please do comment below in the comment box. Don't forget to like, share this video with your family and friends. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. So, see you soon. Till then, Namaste.